the area that is enclosed between these two functions, y is equal to square root x and y is equal to 1 over square root x, these two area, so this one is like that, it's parabola here, and this one will be something like that, and the enclosed area from x is equal to 1 to x is equal to 4. So the area that is enclosed in this by this one and x1 1 and x4, which is somewhere there. So this area is rotated about x-axis. That is the question. So we need to find that volume. When this area is rotated about x-axis, a volume is generated, of course, and we need to find that volume. So this one, so what all we have to do here is, if this black one, this one is rotated about x-axis, a volume is generated which can be given as v1, which will be of course pi y square dx, and in this case y square will be x dx. And the other volume that is generated, if this red curve, which is this one, is rotated about x-axis, then there is another volume that is generated, which is y square dx here, and this will be 1 4 1 4 there, and it's also 1 4, and this volume will be, of course, this y square will be 1 over x dx. So we need to find the volume that is generated by rotating this enclosed area. That means we have to subtract this volume from this one, so basically this area. So if the whole thing is rotated, we would get, say, this blue one, green one there, and if this one is rotated, we will get, say, this violetish thing. So of course, if we subtract the volume v2 from v1, so the violet one is v2 and the green one is v1, so if we subtract v2 from v1, we will get our desired volume. So let's do that in the next page. So what we have to do, 1 over 4, and we have seen that v1 minus v2 will be x here minus 1 over x dx, as simple as that, because this one is x and this one is 1 over x. So, and this becomes half x square, and this becomes log e x, so 4 and 1, and then this is half 4 square minus log e4. Of course there is this pi, I forgot that pi there, so pi is there, and then negative half here, 1 square, and this one will become plus now, log e1. So just substituting the value in. So this is 4 square, so this is 16, so 8 here, minus log e4 minus half there, and log e1, this one is 0, so that's there. So the volume is, this one will be 15 over 2 minus log e4. That will be the generated volume unit cube. So that's pi here, and 15 over 2, because 8 minus half or 7.5 whatever, and then log e4, which is subtracted, and unit cube is because it's volume.